This rope I fell on.
Oh. Yeah. That would be a good spot for falling.
Oh, but it's so fun. It looks really cool when you swing out. You should try it. Just don't fall. Because that hurts. That part's not so fun. I should know. We're stopping at the sandbank, Eric.
Okay.
Andy wants to stop at the sandbank.
What's up?
This was supposed to be lazy floating. Not flailing my arms wildly.
Gotcha.
Alright, so where are we stopping?
Right here.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Stop. You want to bring your floaty.
Yeah, I would think that you
Long
want to
swim.
bring the floaty.
Huh?
I would think you want to bring the floaty. Ugh. Oh, my butt is so wet.
My butt's very cold.
Okay, Eric, get out.
Oh, it's pretty though.
Mm-hmm. Isn't it? I just think it up there. It's a great view.
I'll stay here.
There's a campsite right here, too.
Oh, cool. This is a really great spot, actually.
Mm-hmm. There's a site there. In here, but I can't figure out how to get to this side.
wow.
This is the rope thing.
Are we still recording?
Yeah, it's still blinking red. Last time we just had her floating down. See, look. Grab the rope. And then you swing.
Don't do it. That's how she dislocated her shoulder. We had to drive her to the hospital.
I know.
That's the thing I got her done. I feel like we need to try to keep a chair so it's safer.
Probably, since it's not really one for jumping out into the water
No, it's
on.
just for swinging out.
Yeah.
It's a great view. It's really cool. When you do it, it's really...
Oh, cool. It's a little island, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no way to go around it, though. But yeah. I guess if you floated down, you can maybe set a tent there.
Hey, this is
All right, let's go.
beautiful.
This spot sucks.
Eric doesn't like this spot after that.
This spot didn't exist. You wouldn't have had to go to the hospital.
This is like one of my favorite spots.
It's really cool.
You ain't even seen nothing yet.
There's more. Wait till we get to the spot we've been calling Middle Earth.
Wait, let me. Hold on.
Keep going right here. Go this way. Yeah.
I can do it. I just can't do it.
No, you kind of have to have 2 hands. Should be able to push it over.
somebody tried to do some work over here to make it a little more accessible.
Well, they do slopes down here. I've seen a lot of people stop here.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Or they get out here or whatever.
It's a wonderful spot to do so.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, now, there is this whirlpool after this part. You want to get out there into the
Over here,
towards
like,
the middle
uh-huh.
if possible, because you do not want to be stuck. Because let me tell you, forever, especially after I hurt my arm.
Ugh.
So me and Lucy,
Oh, there's also lots of rocks. There's really no good way to get off this beach.
Back on the balls. Oh, here we go. Okay.
Jason,
What?
you're not even in.
I'm in.
You're doing it wrong.
Huh?
You're doing it wrong.
okay, remember, keep your butt up as much as possible through this section.
You got rocks that high?
Some of them are, yeah.
Wow.
If you don't lift up your butt real good, you lift your butt.
Why are you guys going into the shallow part?
I don't want to hit my butt on the rocks.
I don't see a shallow part.